The workshops that kick-started the Industrial Revolution, the production lines that transformed the automotive industry, the labs that ushered in the digital era. Places of change, places of transformation, places where moments of inspiration made history. The kind of place OXAGON will be. An open book for pivotal moments in history that have yet to be written. A purpose-built environment that fosters creativity and inspires collaboration. A place where if you have a dream, you'll find everything you need to make it happen and nothing to stand in your way. And where making the biggest impact on the world makes the smallest impact on the planet. This is the place where ideas can change the world.